Hey everybody, it is Travis Holzem with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota, and coming to you from day 3 in Glen, Flora, Wisconsin. Had some things not go my way, so I'm here for my 3rd day. Could have had it done yesterday, but shit happens. So I'm going to finish up today before noon. I'll turn you around and show you what I got left to do, and well, let's see if you think I can get it done by noon. Here we go. I'll just show you. All right. We got all the beds getting planted. And then we're going to mulch around all the trees. But I have probably, let's see, if I would have to say, this place is muddy as hell back here. It sucks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 7, 9, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 21, 22, 23, 26 left to plant. And then I have to put some tubers in the ground that are going to be coming up next spring that are fall planters. Some garlic and some stuff in here around some of the guilds. But that's what I have, and then I got to spread the mulch, obviously, but it's really light, so it doesn't take much to spread it. And then these are going to be next spring, so hopefully they survive. And there's 3 identical on the other side, and there's going to be a pergola trellis in the middle with the bench underneath. It's going to have goji berries trellising up the pergola trellis. And then it's going to have clementine, I think, too, or something like that. Or clomis, I don't know, I can't remember, it's off the top of my head, but anyway, that's what I have left. Put this deer fence up, boom, 8 foot high, 10-foot gate, and so no deer will get in here. Anyway, that's what I got for you. So far, I'll do a walkthrough video when I'm finished in a couple hours. Have an amazing day, my friends. Grow food, not lawn.